Hi guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup look. Okay, I know I look quite bad right now and maybe my contact lenses are kind of out of place, but don't worry, after I put on my makeup everything will look okay. So today's everyday makeup look, right, it is something that's very simple, not a lot of products to use, not even foundation, and lastly it is a kind of makeup where it brings out my features instead of a kind of makeup where I explore with different colors that are usually out of my comfort zone. So without further ado, let me just hop into my everyday makeup tutorial. Step 1, of course, it is to prep my face. Toner done, serum also, but instead of applying my vitamin C serum because it's daytime, so I applied my moisturizing serum. After that, I applied a moisturizer, and that's it. That's how I prep my face for my everyday makeup look. First thing first is definitely my face. Okay, so I'll be applying sunblock. The sunblock I'm using is from Hada Labo. It is very thin, very lightweight, and it's not cream based, so it is something that I like a lot because I used other sunblocks before and they are quite heavy for my skin. So in the end, I started growing all those little bumps under my skin. The texture of this sunblock is watery and it doesn't have any kind of smell. So all I do is I just spread it out over my face evenly and I am done. In case you're wondering, right, this is Hada Labo Air UV Moist with SPF 50. I don't bring it down to my neck, it's fine because the next thing I'll be applying is my primer. And my primer also consists of SPF 2. So when it comes to primer, I will bring it down to my neck. So primer I have two kinds. One is from Laneige and one is from Prima Sofina. Okay, a friend of mine got this for me from Taiwan and I really like it, but they two kind of have different functions. Like for this one, I use it to color correct my skin tone. My skin tone can be quite dull sometimes, especially when I don't have enough sleep, I don't drink enough water, and I've been eating shitty food. And then this one it does a very simple job. It doesn't correct my skin tone, but it does fill out my uneven pores, but it does fill out my enlarged pores. For today, I think my skin tone is fine, so I'll only be applying this. Okay, this one you have to shake first. And then same thing, just like my sunblock, I'll apply 3 lines all over my face. A bit too much on my forehead. That's because I'm not using a mirror, it's really hard to adjust. This helps correct my skin tone a bit, so actually not really correcting, like it just makes my face look glowy, slightly glowy. Okay, that's all. That is all. And other than filling out my pores, making them look smaller, and making my face look more even, this primer is also a very great makeup base because last time before I apply primer, my face gets really oily after a few hours and that is really disgusting, but primer helps absorb that oil somehow. I'm not sure how primer functions, okay? Since today I'm gonna be talking about my everyday makeup products, right, I will apply a bit of this also for you guys to see the difference. So this one is purple in color. I don't apply it onto my face directly. And for this, I just focus on the part where people see me first. So instead of the sides, I just focus on the chin, nose, and my cheeks. That's it. So the next thing I'll apply is definitely concealer. I'm using the one from Maybelline. It's cheap, but it does its job and it is not thick. And unlike other concealers that I've used before, right, it doesn't smell like wax. Or maybe I just bought a shitty one previously. So concealer, I'll always focus on my under eye because my dark circles are like shit, especially during MCO. I don't use a brush because brush can be really unhygienic unless you're somebody who washes them almost every day or like once every 3 days. It's fine using your fingers, you just need to make sure you pat them and spread them out evenly, don't leave patches here and there. Okay, I do use a brush for my blush because there's no way you can use finger for your blush, right, unless it's maybe cream blush. If let's say you over apply your concealer, just bring it all over your face, it doesn't really matter. So you can tell my skin instantly look much better now. And that is only concealer and primer. I am gonna skip my foundation because like I said, it is an everyday makeup look. If let's say other days when I presentation or when I do studio kind of video shoot, I will apply foundation, which is this. I've been using it for quite a while now. It's from It Cosmetics CC oil-free foundation that makes your skin feel like it's butter. I really like it. And then the last final step for my face, ta-da! Powder. This is a translucent loose powder. All I do is I tap my brush a bit, not too much, because remember you can always build up slowly. This settling powder, right, it doesn't do any magic right after you apply it, but after like 1 or 2 hours, it will settle down and it will fill in all your pores, work together with a primer to give your face that very flawless look. Okay, 2 more things for my face, blush and my bronzer. So what I'll be using is this from H&M, the Solar Flare Bronzing Powder, okay? So just a bit, and then here also just a bit. Bring it down to my chin, my jawline, I mean. The final product I'll be applying onto my face is blush. I really love blush, believe it or not. I love my blushes more than lipsticks. So for blush, I have this 4 only that I use for everyday. This 2 from Korea. This is a red color shade and this one is a very light pink shade. It's more natural, but the reason why I love this both is because they are both shimmery, 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 shimmery. And the other 2 that I really like also are from Style Nanda. This one is more rosy and beige, more natural, and this one gives a more salmon orange look. So today I'm gonna go with these 2. The first one, definitely this, not too much, but instead of doing that, I tap onto the apple of my cheeks. And one more thing, what I like to do is bring the blush across my face, meaning I apply it onto my nose too. But not too much, if not you'll look like Rudolph the reindeer. And then I'll use this to apply onto the 2 spots where people immediately see when they talk to me. Okay, so the next step for my everyday makeup look will be my eyes. Before I apply my eyeliner and my mascara, I will go in for my eyeshadow first. These are the 4 different everyday eyeshadows I can pick from. So for me, right, I found out that this palette doesn't matter what you're wearing, okay? It just goes well on you. I use my fingers. I go in for the lightest shade first, because that's the base. And then I just apply it onto my eyelid. Okay, then the other side. Then I'll go in for the darkest shade. And then towards the outer corner of my eyelid. Instead of bring it up, bring it sideways. Okay, and then now I'll apply my eyeliner. I usually use brown because they look softer on my face. For now, I'll use the pencil to draw the eyeliner on my waterline. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna apply is my cat eyeliner. After I'm done with my eyeliner, it's time for my mascara. Mascara, I'm using 2. This is to give your mascara volume and this one is to make your eyelashes longer. So first I'm gonna apply the one that gives my eyelashes the length, okay? Back then I used to do this. I thought doing this is just gonna let the mascara get into my brush, but actually it's not good because it pumps air into your product and that will screw up the texture of your mascara. So I start from the base, and then the second time I focus more on the end of my eyelashes. And then the next thing I'll apply is this that gives my eyelashes the volume. And I'm done. So eyebrows, my favorite part, okay? I've been using my Chanel eyebrow pencil since day 1. So I really like this because of the shape of the pencil. It's like that. Okay, I know it's very common. Industry also has this type of style. I mean, this type of design. But the thing is, right, the texture, it glides on smoothly. even when I don't apply makeup every day now, it won't dry up. What I do is I just pretty much fill in the empty spaces in between my brows. Then I will bring it out, just extend it, and I follow my eyebrow shape. And I use the brush to make it look even. Done. Okay, you see, that's it for my everyday makeup look. I don't need to go too crazy. I just need to enhance my features, so a bit will go a long way. Then the other side. Finally, my everyday makeup lipstick from Urban Decay. It's in the color of Ravenswood. It is not matte. I don't really like matte lipsticks, so I don't apply too much, just the center of my lips. That is very close to my natural lip shade, which I like. And that's how you guys should find the perfect shade for your everyday makeup look too. Of course, you can choose a nude color, and I'm gonna repeat this again, it comes down to what you're wearing. So today I'm wearing this kind of cute crop top, and of course my pin's gotta go with my shirt, so I'm gonna go with a more cute kind of colors on my face. I'm gonna just let go of my hair and show you guys what I'll look like after everything is done. So that is all for my everyday makeup look. If you have any questions or if you have anything to share with me regarding how you apply your makeup or what kind of products you use, let me know in the comments down below. That's it guys, I'll see you guys again soon. Probably I'll do a makeup challenge video where I try to recreate certain kind of looks. See you guys!